Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm a model, content creator, and influencer. I'm not full-time yet. I am still finishing up my final semester of college, but I am well on my way to be going full-time as soon as I graduate this May. Without further ado, this is a day in my life as a model, influencer, and content creator in college. Right now, I'm getting ready because I'm gonna shoot some content today. I don't have school today because it's Martin Luther King Jr. Day. The first thing I did when I woke up this morning is I just applied to some brands through my influencer apps. I like to use Trend, Billo, and Inspire IQ. Next, I did some taxes, really fun. I had to record all my expenses from last year and then start recording them for this year. Just a little tip if you guys are gonna get into modeling and influencing is to just record all of your expenses and profits and just put that on like an Excel doc. Just in case you do meet the threshold of income where you have to report taxes, it'll just make your life a lot easier. And it's just nice to see those things, like what you're really profiting versus spending. By the way, I'm not giving tax advice. I'm just telling you I think that you should record your taxes if you're gonna be a model or an influencer. Next, I emailed a couple brands that I want to partner with. So one, I emailed Bay's Bags because I want to do a what's in my photo shoot bag video. And then I also need new glasses. So I reached out to a couple glasses wear brands I was interested in to see if they wanted to collab with me since it's just something that's going on in my life right now. Today I have to shoot a video for Salt and Lace Intimates and it's gonna be how I style lingerie for Valentine's Day. So I went on TikTok and Reels and I just kind of got some inspiration from my favorite creators. That's what I like to do before I shoot my content, so I have an idea of what I'm gonna do. And then I also just want to film some other fun TikToks just to help me grow on TikTok and Instagram because that is the best way to grow right now. I also prepared my Instagram posts for the day, got my captions and hashtags and all of that set up, so at noon I can just click post. And then I booked a studio in New York City because I'm going there in a couple weeks. So I'm not gonna show you what they look like on yet. That's the reveal on my Instagram and in my vlog for New York. I'm gonna vlog my trip, so stay tuned for that. But I got this top from Showpo and then I thrifted this little white shirt here. And then I have some cool jeans from Princess Polly. And then this stunning dress from Showpo. And then this is also from Showpo. It's like this shirt dress. And I also just picked up a couple packages in my mailroom from Amazon. So I do shoot for some Amazon brands and I'll probably end up showing you guys more of that when I get more packages in because the packages come pretty sporadically and I can do all of this in one day. So I like to batch together like honestly like 10 outfits at a time. I actually do have to shoot for a trend brand today, like I mentioned before. That's one of my influencer apps. This is one of the things that I do not post on my normal social media. It's easy money. It's something I enjoy doing. I'd rather be doing this than working a Starbucks job while I'm in college. And the last thing I can think of right now is that I'm probably gonna end up editing some of my Adore Me haul that I just filmed yesterday. Okay, now that I'm all hair and makeup ready, I'm gonna start filming. I have to do the Salt and Lace Intimates reel first, and then I'm probably gonna do the trend video, and then we will go from there, probably start those TikToks. Something to keep in mind about influencers and content creators is that you really have the creative freedom to do whatever you want as long as you make that brand's product look good. You really just have to figure out how you're gonna make it into your style and how it's still gonna fit with the brand and look good and you're gonna present them well. This is really where your creativity can shine through, but it can also be a little overwhelming sometimes.
I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine.
As I told you guys before, I don't have to post everything that I create for brands. This is kind of a funny one. It's for socks. So I got my shoes here, got my socks ready, and then I just pulled up the requirements that the brand gave me. I just have to make two 30 to 60 second videos. One is an action/product in use video, and the other is a product review or testimonial video. These are really easy brand deals to just make a little bit of extra money on the side. I think it's a great way to get into content creation and really just start getting paid right away, even if you don't have a huge following. So I like to do this stuff so that I can make money to put it into my real content, like buying outfits and equipment and paying for software, stuff like that. So if you don't have a huge following yet, when you're not getting huge brand deals, you can always do content creation stuff and you don't have to get that annoying Starbucks job that isn't really related to what you like doing. With this app in particular, there are 3 levels of payment. So the first one is $25 per campaign, and then $45 per campaign, and then $65 per campaign once you've completed 9 campaigns. So I've actually completed 45 campaigns, so I'm definitely on that diamond status. Brands really like working with me. How do they pick me? It's from my Instagram. They basically just stalk you on Instagram, and if they like your content, they might choose you to make the content for them. So always have a good Instagram no matter what, because that is how you're gonna get the job. The last thing I want to film today is just a few TikToks, and they're just going to be me talking from my bedroom. They're pretty low effort, so that won't be too difficult. And I might also touch on the Adore Me haul for my YouTube video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm definitely going to be making more of these in the future. So if you're interested in more content creation, modeling, and influencing tips, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video if you found it helpful. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.